HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us calculate a mean when replacing two scores. Here is an example problem when we change two scores. The original mean is 14, and there are 8 scores. A score of 4 is changed to a 9 and a score of 11 is changed to 10. What is the new mean? Here is our equation to replace two scores. Let's substitute the values from our problem. Let's simplify the old sum by multiplying the old mean of 14 by n, which has a value of 8. The result is 112. Let's add the new scores while subtracting the old scores. Let's simplify the numerator. It works out to 116. Let's simplify the quotient to 14.5. The new mean is 14.5. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.